Creating an effective agency workflow from prospect to delivery is essential for efficiency, client satisfaction, and scaling your business. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to break down exactly how to set up that workflow, from the moment a prospect shows interest all the way to delivering the final service. If you're an agency owner, this is the video you need to streamline your processes and improve your results. Let's dive straight into it. First, when a new prospect shows interest, whether through an inbound call, form submission, or email, you need a system that captures all their details right away. This is where software comes in handy. You can use a CRM to store the prospect's contact info, notes, and their specific needs. But it's important to not just store the info, you need to track communication and set reminders for follow-ups. This is how you ensure you never lose touch with a potential client. Once the prospect's information is in your system, the next step is qualifying them. Have a set of questions or criteria that helps you determine if they're a good fit for your services. Are they ready to invest? Do they understand the process? By qualifying prospects, you can focus your time on the ones who are most likely to convert. Now, when a prospect is qualified, it's time to create a proposal. Your proposal should outline exactly what services you'll be offering, timelines, and pricing. Make sure it's clear and professional. Using a template can save you time here. Once you've sent the proposal, it's time to automate your follow-up process. Set reminders in your software so you're not scrambling to remember when to follow up, and make sure you're touching base consistently until you get an answer. When a prospect accepts your proposal, the next step is kicking off the project. This is where workflows can really help. Set up a checklist for every project stage so that you and your team know what's due and when. This could include tasks like content creation, design drafts, approvals, and final delivery. If you're working with a team, assigning responsibilities through the software ensures no task is missed. Make sure the workflow is visible to everyone involved so everyone knows what to do and when. As work progresses, keep track of deliverables and timelines in the system. If your workflow involves multiple stages or departments, ensure that every transition is automated as much as possible. This can save you hours of manual work. Once the work is completed, the final step is delivery. Before delivering, make sure you have a final checklist in place to ensure everything is accurate. Once you've double-checked the quality, deliver the project to the client and make sure to request feedback. Following up after delivery is key to gathering insights on how you can improve the process for future clients. Now, here's the key takeaway. To create a seamless agency workflow from prospect to delivery, you need to integrate software at each step, from capturing leads to qualifying them, sending proposals, managing tasks, and delivering the project. Automation and clear communication through your workflow will save you time and help you deliver better results for your clients. Before I wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked below. It's a great way to follow along and start setting up your agency workflow with the best software on the market. To quickly recap, capture and qualify your prospects, automate follow-ups, use checklists to manage project tasks, and ensure a smooth delivery process. Implement these steps to streamline your agency's workflow and boost your efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.